So check it out. Check out this little guy. He's been through quite a bit. For 100 years old, I know he's spent the last 50 years caked in mud from the Chemung River. He went through the flood of '72, the Agnes flood. I remember it well. And I was able to pull him out of a parts box and able to put him all together. And I figured if I got the motor running, then I'd restore the shell. And I did get the motor running after I cleaned out all the mud and stuff, and it's amazing. It's still a runnable shape, I guess that's a word. And also had to put a new roller pickup in it because it was missing one. I just took one out of one of those Adriatics. It was about the same size, and it fit in there. And then I buffed the bell and buffed the headlight bezel and rewired. I used a Marx E7 headlight socket in there, and that works really good. So then I painted it, and I made some decals and used a paint pen and went around the windows as well as the handrails. And now I've got some Marx 6-inch cars behind it. So for 100 years, this little Lionel 150, I guess it's got the humpback motor, I think they call it, in it. And I've got a new pair of motor brushes on order because I know it's going to need them. But for now, I think we can run it for a few laps, and we'll see how it runs, and here we go. All right, runs pretty good. I know, like I said, I've got to get the new motor brushes in it, so I'm not going to run it too much. But I'm glad I was able to restore it. And I also cleaned up the wheels, and I did a little touch-up on the paint on the spoked wheels there. And so, again, thanks for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.